This is our friction stir welding machine. You can see here it is used to weld aluminium plates. So here see the welding is started and how the plates is welded, like building structures, framework, automobile components, everything can be welded through friction stir welding. So we can customize this machine as per client's demand. One dimensional, only lengthy jobs can be welded through friction stir welding. Two dimensional means where you want to cut a circle, like there is a box in which you want to cavity in which you want to weld another same size of the parts. So friction stir welding is nowadays very much useful for all defense units, aerospace components. So this is our machine. You can see the tool is penetrated between two plates and then moves forward and into the stir welding. So if you have any inquiry, you can send us for friction stir welding machine. Here we can customize smaller size to bigger size with auto clamping. You can see the welding is finished now.